I fear I gave in to the Stanley Cups. It's alright. Guess what day it is? It's packing day. What's up guys, welcome back to Katie's Crew. Today is a new video and today we are packing for my grad trip, y'all. I am so freaking excited. It is actually the day before we fly out, so tomorrow at like 2 p.m. we're flying out, and this needs to be packed because my mom is stressed, okay? And she's not gonna stop until I pack, and so we're gonna pack. Let's do it! First things first, all my laundry done. Obviously I'm gonna use some other stuff, not just this, but it's a great start to my packing journey. Okay, I did all my laundry today, so every single thing is done except for what I'm wearing right now currently. I'm gonna wash my sheets tomorrow, but for today we're just gonna focus on packing. So you know, I kind of wish I wrote a list, not even gonna lie, but I need 5 packed outfits, 1 airport outfit. So I don't know guys, let's just figure it out. Just check the weather. So the first 2 stops actually are gonna be relatively nice, and once we get to New York, I don't know, I didn't check Washington, I don't know why, but once we get to New York is where it gets a little bit hotter, so we're gonna bring mostly jeans and a few shorts. It has been a bit since I actually packed a suitcase. Last time was my April trip, y'all. And if you haven't seen those California videos, go check them out. I love them so much. There's some dirt and trash in here for some reason, so that's fun. But yeah. Okay, so the way that I normally like to do this actually is pack my jeans first, then my t-shirts, then like sweatshirts and anything else that I might need. So that's basically the order that we're gonna be doing everything. I think it's good to kind of lay everything out and get a visual idea just of everything that I personally want to bring. Obviously all of this stuff is folded and ready. I wanted to make sure that it was as neat as possible so I wasn't just going in blind or letting this laundry sit out for too long because I didn't have enough hangers to hang all of it, so that's fun. Also, our hangers have been mysteriously going missing. We used to have just the right amount, like literally it was perfect. We had the correct amount for all of the clothes that me, my mom, and my dad have, but now it's like hangers are going missing. I don't know if maybe my dad is breaking them or something's going on, but it's what it is. Okay, number 1 thing. These are my brand new PacSun jeans. I wore these, I'm pretty sure in another video. Maybe I didn't, I don't remember. But these are brand freaking new and I'm so freaking excited to bring them. These are my number 1 pick for this trip. Obviously, like I just said, we're bringing a lot of different jeans because of the weather. So, you know, y'all know how it's gonna be. I don't know if I want to bring sweatpants yet. I plan on actually taking my new pajama pants that I got from Aeropostale, but I don't know if I want to bring like any other form of sweatpants or anything like that. Okay, these are my second new jeans from PacSun also. They have cute little butterflies on them. I have not gotten a chance to wear these, and I think my grad trip is the perfect way to bring these out into the world with me, okay? So now that we've got 2 jean options, we only have, how many is that? 5, 6 including my day outfit. Okay, so that, girl, I don't even know. Do the math for me. Okay, this is my pajama pants. So these don't count actually, and I'm gonna put them up here because they don't count. You all know how it is. Now, I can't decide if I want to bring this hoodie or if I want to bring maybe just a plain black one instead. I think it would go with a lot more stuff, but it'd also be a little bit more boring. I could bring a gray hoodie if I find one that I like. What to do. See, this is the hard part. This is why I don't like picking things, because it becomes challenging. But we'll figure it out. I'm gonna look in my closet now since I don't think I want anything else from here. So, yeah. Okay, so for my shorts, I think I want to bring, should I bring 2 or 1? I think I'm just gonna bring, I think I'll have the space for 2, but I don't know if I want to count these as outfits or not. Like, I think I want to have 5 pairs of jeans, you know what I'm saying, so that I could be prepared, because if I don't want to wear shorts and I only want to wear jeans, that's gonna be an issue. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shorts. 2 pairs is good, okay? I can easily fit 2 pairs in here, and the rest of my things will be jeans. So I need 5 sets of jeans, and I'm gonna bring 2 sets of shorts. But they're not going into outfits, so I'm putting them with my pajama pants. Second ones, these are also ones from Pakistan actually, which is ironic. Some of my favorite clothing, I guess, comes from Pakistan, which is crazy, but hey, I'm here for it. Those are my second pair. Now we're focusing exclusively on jeans. Obviously, this is a must. As you all know, these are my favorite ones out of every single pair that I ever owned. They're my OG Paksons, and they will be coming with me. I know y'all see all my hangers back here. Maybe you don't, maybe you do. They're right here. I don't know why I put them right there. It's just been my new space. These are American Eagle ones. They're ripped, so it brings a nice little flair to it. And if it's maybe a little bit hotter, this is nice too, because they're kind of like shorts based on how big the holes of the things are. So, you know, it works out in the end. Now, obviously, black ones, a staple. We love these ones, okay? I love my black jeans. They're so freaking cute. I honestly want to get more like different styles of these in black, but for right now I think we don't need to be doing anything too crazy, you know, trying to save the money, not spend the money. Last pair of jeans, and then the other pair of pants that I'm gonna bring, I don't know what it is gonna be yet. Probably my best guess is maybe some sweatpants. I know I said I didn't want to bring sweatpants, but it's got to be my travel day outfit, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want to be uncomfortable while traveling. I would much rather not do that. My last pick of jeans, obviously these are another version of black jeans, but I like the whitewashed ones that my other ones give more than this. But these ones are super duper cute. They have like this little thing attached to them, and then at the bottom they have this little tail, and I like them, from Cotton On, and I think they'd make a great addition to the team, you know what I'm saying, because I could do a lot. I could make a lot of different outfits with this, so diversity. So the trip is a total of 12 days, and the reason I'm only bringing technically 6 outfits is because we're actually gonna be planning on doing laundry like in between days of our trip, so we don't need to bring all 12, which thank goodness, because honestly I do not think that my suitcase can handle all that. Maybe it could, I don't know, I'm not gonna take my chances. Now that we've collected all of our pants, I need to pick the shirts that I'm gonna wear. I have obviously my staple shirts. They will be coming with me, you guys already know, but yeah, let's just make sure we have all of them, okay? I do want to end up bringing some normal t-shirts as well. I don't want to strictly be wearing like crop tops or tight shirts or anything like that. I've talked about this before on my channel, but sometimes those tight shirts or like crop tops and stuff like that are like tight around my body, I guess, definitely can overstimulate me sometimes, so I don't want to solely rely on that. But I am going to bring this staple in my closet, this white tank top. I got it from the thrift store, but the original company is from Zara. I love her. Y'all will know, especially if you've watched some of my other videos before. If not, go check them out. At least once a week I'll be wearing this. So yeah, and this can basically go with any one of these shirts, so I'm just gonna put it off to the side and not really call it anything specific. I don't want to match them to anything specific because it can go for any outfit. Next one, this one I feel like is also a staple, but you know what, it's not too much of a staple, but I do love this shirt. It's this like lace tank top. I believe I got this from Target on clearance. This is one of my favorite tank tops. I am obsessed with her. I love her so much, and if I did not like have this in my closet, I don't know what I would do. Because it has definitely become one of my staple pieces throughout my closet. That was all the shirts that I had in this laundry basket. Now we're gonna move to the shirts that are in here. Hopefully I can find some good ones. This is an outfit combo. We've seen it before. I've done this on my channel one other time. It's super duper cute. Basically this goes over this, and these go with my black, like my dark black jeans. I don't think I like them with anything else because I don't like jean on jean for some reason, so my black, full black ones is the only thing that I'll ever wear this with, I think. Maybe I'll switch that up this trip, but this is definitely going in there, at least for those pants, you know? Maybe I'll change my mind about that. But right now, this is what's going with us. Picked out my next 2 shirts. Last crop top, or like kind of, yeah, basically crop top t-shirt that I'm gonna bring is this simple black. I think it's adorable, and I think it goes with definitely a lot of stuff. It's kind of like my white one where it will go with every single outfit. I don't think I would put it with the black just because I don't really like black on black, but I think it would still be cute. That's one. Last 2 are normal t-shirts. I told y'all I wanted to bring some normal ones because sometimes your girl cannot. So first one is Top Gun Maverick shirt. Okay, I love this. I feel like I kind of wear this all the time, but it's such a good shirt. I'm like obsessed with it, and it's so comfortable too that I know I'll be great. Last one, Festivals t-shirt. Got it from Target. I love so freaking much. Definitely also one of my other favorite t-shirts. So comfortable. She ate that up. Obviously, I gotta put on like my socks, my underwear, stuff like that, which y'all are not gonna see because that's a little creepy, but I am gonna put it in there. Ow, I just cracked my knee on accident. Here is what we're going to wear tomorrow. Okay, so I have this, what's this called? Santa Clarita, California, which is very fitting. It's a cute little tank top, very adorable. It's from Hollister, love her. So this is gonna be my travel day outfit, just so we're clear. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah. For my jacket, I decided to go with this plain black one, you know, just easy, simple. We don't need to be doing nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Plus, it goes with every single thing that I have in my suitcase, so it just works out better. And these gray Puma sweatpants. You know, after what Belly did, spoilers alert for anybody who has not seen The Summer I Turned Pretty. After what Belly did when she got onto the plane in jeans, I was just like, girl, we're not wearing jeans, we are wearing sweatpants. We're rocking it, okay? Because it's comfortable, okay? And that's what comfortability is all about. So that will be my fit for my travel day. I'm going to think about what else I can bring because I'm gonna take a shower tonight, which means all of my shower things can be packed, so I'll have to end up doing that a little bit later on. And then besides that, I can't really think of anything else that would need to be packed or that can be packed as of right now. I will do my best to think the best that I possibly can, but for right now it's at a standstill. Bringing this backpack. This will have a bunch of different stuff in it. I don't know what I can fill it with right now. I'm charging a portable charger and I plan on charging my AirPods also, but I can put my jacket in here. I don't think I'll need it for the morning portion, especially because it's hot, and if I do end up needing it, I'll just come grab it. Before I fill it with anything, let's do a little charm and pin tour, okay? This is Santa Cruz pin. I got it from Tilly's. I just thought it was super cute, and you know, it's got butterflies on it and everything like her. Okay, next is this other Santa Cruz one. They used to come in like a pack of 6 actually, but I don't know where my other ones went, so that's a mystery. This is a pin that my aunt actually made because of her sticker business. She sells little pins too and stuff like that, so I have that. This is my charm. It's a little potato and it's supposed to be like a whole potato or whatever. I don't really know. I don't know where I got this. I think it was from when me and my band in California went to Utah. It's just a little music note. I like it. Last but not least, the last two. This is the Tilly's thing. It came with the backpack, and this is a ukulele I got from Hawaii and I love it so freaking much. So yeah, that's my little outside of my backpack tour. There's nothing inside of here, so yeah, but I'm gonna put my jacket in here right now, and let me double check if that's all that I could put in here right now. Currently right now, the things that I could put in there, my jacket, my gum, and then I also have my blue light glasses. This is just so I could do my work, you know, because I know a lot of people don't wear them, but I'm kind of on the computer like all day long, and I don't know if it helps or like it does anything, but the least I could do is wear them sometime. I put them on today because my head started hurting a little bit after I was looking at my computer for way too long, but yeah. I forgot that my mom moved my purse today, so my purse is not even in the laundry room. Hold on, let me turn this off. Basically, my gum should be in my purse, which should be in here somewhere, right here. Oops, you guys can't even see me. Okay, so this is my purse. Say hello. Y'all actually bought this with me. I forget which video that is, but yeah, y'all did. Oh, I forgot. I need my wallet too for my ID. Cheers. Let's be happy that I actually went inside of here and I remembered that I needed that. That would have been bad if I forgot it. Okay, and here is where my gum's at. I don't have a lot of packs in here. Well, I only have 3 left, which is not terrible, but you know, it's something. got the goods. I have my best friend and my associate, Sally, with me. This is the last 2 items that I can pack right now because the rest of the stuff I have to wait until it's done charging to be able to pack it. But yeah, put my gum in here and my wallet in there. Zip it up. We're done. I just charged my computer, but I am still actually using it. I'm trying to get some editing done because I have a few videos that have not been fully edited yet that, you know, I just kind of want to get out of the way and do as much as I possibly can while I'm still here. But other than that, everything else is still charging and stuff like that. Everything else I have to use tomorrow, so it can't be packed right now. It has to be packed tomorrow. But yeah, that's all that we can pack right now. Y'all, this feels unfreaking real. It still has not hit me that like I'm flying on a plane tomorrow to go on a trip and like to start a vacation. Like there's no freaking way, you know what I'm saying? But I am super duper excited to go and have a great time and film all this content for you guys. I have a feeling we're gonna have a ton of fun. I think I forgot that I could put my camera stuff in here, so let me get that. Obviously, to go in here, I have my camera stuff, meaning some of my camera things have to be put into here, but as of right now, we are free to just kind of, I didn't even know I had this. Where does this go? Oh, right there. Okay, this is interesting. I've never used this before, but it's one of like those dangly things that I hold around my wrist, you know, but I'm not gonna use that. Anyways, I'm gonna put this in my bag and I'm gonna zip it up, but that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna open it. Honestly, most of the time when I pack stuff, I find myself constantly going in and out of my bag just because I have things in there that I still want to have out, I guess, and then I just forget that I need to have them out. Though that's probably one of those things. Obviously, I have to put like my stand in there and stuff like that just so it's all good. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. That's all I can do right now. If you're interested, definitely make sure to stay tuned for my video that's coming up about me flying there. It's literally tomorrow, guys. I don't know when it will be out for y'all, but I am gonna be filming it tomorrow, so that's insane. I am super duper excited to go on vacation and document it with y'all, because me and you guys, we are going on vacation, okay? Should be fun. We should have a great time, and I am super duper excited about it. But I mean, as of right now, that's all I could do. So that's the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed packing with me. I know I had a really fun time doing it with y'all and just getting to like get all my stuff together. Like I said, it doesn't feel real yet, but definitely packing helped a little bit just to solidify more like the idea of, okay, like this is it, like you're actually going to go now, you know. Yeah, I will see you all in my next video. I love each and every one of you so much. Bye.